Introducing Opticis cables, engineered for performance and built for reliability. Experience ultra-fast data speeds with zero electromagnetic interference. Opticis cables are built with rugged durability and custom configurations to fit your specific needs. DisplayPort 1.4 active optical cables transmit up to 8K DSC at 60 Hz over distances up to 100 meters without scaling or data compression. Ideal for high-resolution AV setups. HDMI 2.0 fixed N-type active optical cables provide optimal visual performance with a high dynamic range and digital cinematic initiatives that display stunning image quality and offer unbelievable theatrical experiences for movie enthusiasts. Detachable DisplayPort 1.2 to HDMI 2.0 cables enable to convert DisplayPort 1.2 signal to HDMI 2.0 signal and extends 4K at 60 Hz up to 100 meters over plenum-graded hybrid cable. It avoids any scaling or data compression for lessening a burden of data transmission. Precision, speed, reliability. Wherever performance matters, Opticis is the solution. And if you want to learn more, be sure to check out onesourcevideo.com or visit your local reseller.